Good Wednesday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this August the 14th, 2013. A dreary day across eastern North Carolina with a lot of clouds and some light showers across the area, some light stratiform rain, and also some much cooler temperatures than what we saw yesterday. Yesterday's high temperature in the low 90s. Today, we're only maxing out in the 70s for most of us. A few of us have peaked out right around 80, but most of us in the 70s. Let's detail that and also the forecast ahead over the next several days. And also a look at the tropics that are now starting to fire up here as we head into the middle portion of August. Here's a look at live Viper 9 this afternoon, and just some light showers, and not very many on the radar this afternoon. We've got some light showers into Lenoir County along 258 and 241, and also along 70 this afternoon outside of Kinston out towards Woodington, and down towards northern Duplin County. Also into Jones County, we've got a few showers as well. We'll head down there into Jones County along 58 this evening, just this afternoon near Trenton. And a few light showers outside of Jacksonville out towards Catherine Lake and just south of the Richlands Airport. Also into Pender County, we've got a few light showers. Had a few over into Pamlico County as well. You see a light shower right in through out towards Arapahoe and making its way out towards Oriental. Also a few light showers into the Pamlico Sound. Down to the south, they've had a couple boomers into the Wilmington area this afternoon. You see moving through the Wilmington Metro. So overall, it's just the light showers that we're experiencing this afternoon across eastern North Carolina. Not very much. The frontal boundary is offshore as per what we were expecting, but there's still a boundary hanging around. That's what's keeping this moist flow out of the southwest in the upper atmosphere, and that's keeping basically an overrunning effect. You've got the warm air coming above the cooler air at the surface. That's why we're seeing these lighter showers this afternoon. Look at the temperatures though. 73 degrees currently in Greenville. We've been as high as 77, but that was at midnight tonight. 73 currently for Washington, 75 for New Bern. You've been as high as 79 today. Hatteras is at 76. You've been as high as 80. So it's kind of a weird contrast of where the temperature gradient has been. But look at the cooler dew points. 55 right now in Greenville, 58 for Edenton, 52 up in Elizabeth City. Still quite moist down along the immediate beaches. 69 degree dew points currently for Morehead City, 66 for Jacksonville. So the drier air is starting to filter in from the north, but we still have that moisture gradient across the Highway 17 corridor. That's why you guys are seeing the showers for the most part this afternoon. Here's the setup. We've got cooler and drier air filtering in from the north across our area. The stationary boundary still laid across the area for your day tomorrow. We'll keep scattered shower chances, not even thunderstorm chances, just some showers in the forecast for tomorrow. And with that gradient and with cloud cover changes, temperatures are going to be another hard thing to deal with tomorrow. Here's a look at the tropical satellite. Here's Invest 92. This is a nicely organized system at this point. The National Hurricane Center has a 60% probability that this was going to turn into something over the next couple of days in the model tracks. Very odd look here. A couple of them take it into Mobile, Gulfport, and a couple of them off to the west, over towards Texas. A very wide model spread, and even in the synoptic scale models, the GFS brings it up towards Mobile, the European splits the moisture, and our precision forecast model is kind of a in between of both of those. So it's a very odd forecast, but I do expect that there is going to be a lot of rainfall across the southern tier of the United States along the Gulf Coast over the next couple of days, with or without a name. And that's also going to affect us here going into this weekend as well. But if it goes further to the west, we could be a little bit drier, but if it goes further to the east, where most of the models are depicting a lot of this moisture heading, we're going to be talking about more rain showers and some showers and thunderstorms in the forecast as well. There's another area of disturbance over in coming off of the Cape Verde Islands this afternoon, and this has a 70% probability of forming into something over the next several days. Good thing is it's way far away from us, and we're not going to deal with it for the time being, but something to watch obviously as the parameters all start to come together here over the next couple of days. Here's a look at the precision forecast model taking you through this evening. You see the clouds hanging tough, and I think maybe a little bit of us further north may see a little bit of sunshine before the day is out. And I think folks up towards, say, Hosky have seen just a little bit of sunshine this afternoon. Going into tonight, we'll keep a rain shower chance right along the immediate beaches. Look at the temperatures, though. With that drier air pushing in, northern areas could stand to go into the upper 50s tonight. Look at Roanoke Rapids, 57, 59 for Wilson, 63 for Greenville. But where the clouds stay in place, that's where you're going to see your warmer temperatures near the 70s, upper 60s, low 70s right along the immediate beaches to start off tomorrow morning. Now, I will say this. Dependent on where the cloud cover sets up tomorrow will really determine how our temperatures play out for tomorrow afternoon as well. Most areas likely going to be upper 70s, low 80s tomorrow afternoon. Best rain chance south of 70, east of 17, and really even south of, really is going to be a lot for the area south of 70. That's likely going to be the best chance for seeing those showers tomorrow, but they're going to be few and far in between. Not very many on the radar screen for tomorrow afternoon. You see Greenville touching 81 tomorrow afternoon, New Bern at 80, Jacksonville 76, and the computer models are all over the place with this setup. You've got the GFS that's cranking out mid and upper 70s tomorrow afternoon for Jacksonville, and the Europeans cranking out low 70s. So once again, it kind of will depend on where the frontal boundary sets up, where the showers and thunderstorms set up, and also where the clouds set up going into tomorrow afternoon. And we'll continue to watch, obviously, another low pressure center coming up the coast going in towards Friday that could bring us some stronger storms into the forecast. Here's a look at the long-range precision forecast, and still, with that chance for a few showers in the forecast through the afternoon hours, and even going into Friday, that's when we're going to see a good chance for showers. Saturday, once again, another good chance for some showers in the forecast, and mostly cloudy skies. You're not going to see very much in the way of sunshine going through this weekend for us, and temperatures will be much cooler for us as well. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Rain showers in the forecast for mainly south of 70 and east of 17 for tomorrow. We'll go with 79, and like I said, it will depend on where you live, how the temperatures play out for you. We'll go to 81 for Friday, Saturday. Good chance for showers and thunderstorms. Would not be surprised if we saw maybe one or two storms get a little bit on the rowdy side, especially for Friday with that low pressure system riding up the coast. Then as we head towards next week, we start to come out of it a little bit and temperatures get back towards normal. We'll be back up into the mid and upper 80s as we head towards the first and middle portion of next week with just the regular scattered showers and thunderstorms. Once again, the moisture with that low pressure center this weekend is going to play a big part in our weekend rain chances. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can stay up to date with us on Facebook, Twitter, and on WNCT.com. Next update here by tomorrow afternoon. Tune in tonight at 5, 5:30, 6, 10 o'clock on CW, and 11 o'clock on WNCT. See Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer to give you your Storm Team 9 weather forecast. All right, have a great rest of your day and a great weather week.